Well, I hope you're all doing well out there today. And I just wanted to tell you an experience that I had here just not too long ago that made me grateful that I'm a prepper. We'll get into that coming right up. Well, I had the misfortune. Well, let me start from the beginning. I've explained this in a couple other videos. I usually do all my grocery shopping one trip, one time a month, and that's it. Well, I went and did my grocery shopping, and I eat a lot of TV dinners. I know, they're not good for you, but I supplement them with vegetables. I don't eat just TV dinners, okay? But I eat a lot of them. Anyway, I had gone grocery shopping and put all my groceries away and everything was fine for a couple of days. Well, then I noticed that my freezer wasn't staying as cold as usual. So, thankfully, I had two of my granddaughters come and stay here with me for a few days, and they were able to help me eat some of those TV dinners up, and what we didn't eat, I sent home with them and their father, my son. Anyway, so if I was not a prepper, my month's worth of groceries would have been gone. Now, I usually buy several bags of frozen vegetables. So, thankfully, I'm a prepper. I've got my food dehydrator and I've got my vacuum sealer. So I took my frozen vegetables. That's 3 bags of broccoli. That's it's vegetables with fettuccine and Italian seasonings in it. I was able to dehydrate that. And then this was just a mixture of stir-fry vegetables. And so what I did was I dehydrated them. Let me give you some specs on this while we're going through this, because I kind of wanted this to be a video of telling you what these items are if you're not used to them or if you never used them. This is the Nesco. They call it the FD61 WHC Snack Maker Food Dehydrator. Now, I'll put listings down in the show notes, so go down below, and if you see the little tag that says see more, you can click on that and it'll open up the box, and I'll have these listed down there. Now, when I bought this, I'm giving you the same exact one I bought. In fact, I bought 2 of these. I bought one for myself and one as a gift to my daughter-in-law. Anyway, this is a 500 watt dehydrator. Adjustable temperatures between 95 and 160 degrees. BPA free. Trays. Sorry, I didn't mean to stop there for a second, but let's see. I can't remember how many trays this came with. I think 6 trays. And I'm trying to see where it says here. It's expandable to 12 trays. Let's see. Okay, anyway, let me get into what's included with this. You get 1 jerky gun with 3 different tips, 2 fruit roll-up tray sheets. They might be a little bit dirty. I just brought it in from the kitchen after I got done doing these vegetables. You get 2 of these fruit roll-up trays, and you could take just plain applesauce and put it in there and make apple roll-ups. They're pretty good. I've tried it before. Of course, you can puree any kind of vegetables. I mean, any kind of fruit. I guess you can mix vegetables in a fruit thing. And then, what do they call these? Clean a screen. Okay. And then it comes with came with jerky seasonings, and there was 5 of those, 5 seasonings and cure samples, and a recipe and instruction booklet. Now that's not a bad deal really when you think about it. I'm really happy with it. I've gotten a lot of use out of it, and it saved my rear end this month on my vegetables. Now I got plenty of other foods put up. I got canned vegetables and canned meats and a lot of other dehydrated foods and stuff. So being a prepper saved me this month, or I wouldn't have much to eat. Okay, anyway, this whole setup costs $67.99. I'll put it in the description down below. And, well, here, I'll put it on the screen right here for you. Okay, then let's go to the vacuum sealer. Now, this is the Food Saver. I'm not going to go down the whole list. It's got a bunch of letters and numbers. 2222, okay? On here, I think it just says V222, but up here they got FSSF, whatever. Vacuum sealer, like I said, I'll put a link down below. And it also comes with the hose for the attachments. Now, it doesn't come with the attachments. These are separate. I'll show you those in a minute. But this right here, it tells you the sellers is. The one they got listed here is $49.89 with $7.02 shipping. So it's not a prime item. I'm sure if you look on Amazon farther, there's probably one sold by Amazon where you can get prime shipping on it. But okay, when you buy your thing, look for these attachments. You'll want to get each of these. This is for the small mouth jars and the big mouth jars. And what I did was I took, where are they? Here we go. I took oxygen absorbers. Now you really don't have to do this when you vacuum seal. Most people do, and I do. Just added precaution. I put two oxygen absorbers in each jar, and the oxygen absorbers I buy, I get through the the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints online. I'll put a picture down here of this too. And they also have Mylar foil packages. You can get them for 80 cents a piece. These are the gallon size ones, I believe it was. Or you can get 200, I think it was 250 of them for $94. But anyway, what I do is I get it, when I order my oxygen absorbers, I get a pouch ready, a vacuum seal pouch. And what I'll do is I'll open it up. I'll put a handful inside of a little jar and then put the rest, because they come in a plastic bag like this, vacuum sealed. So what I'll do is I'll cut it open, hurry up, shove most of them in here, throw some in that jar, and then seal this up and seal the jar up. That way they stay fresh. Now when you do this, make sure you leave the bag a little bit longer. That way you have room to cut it and then reseal it when you take a few more out. Anyway, I just wanted to throw this out there. The reason I'm glad I'm a prepper. Like I said, I would be really short on food if I wasn't a prepper and had some food put up. So please, if you haven't subscribed yet, go down, click that little subscribe button. Click that little bell right there, And I'll put a couple of videos over here that I think you might like. Well, I'll put one down here that YouTube thinks you might like, and I'll put one up here that I think you might like. And you can click on my little handsome face down here to subscribe. When you click that little bell, what it does is it'll let you know when we upload our next video, which is coming right up. So have a good day and stay prepared.